Jesus!
Being a robotics
The
mechanic.
video is locked.
Lockdowns.
Please don't, please.
Who I just
Please be cool.
I mean,
Please be cool. Oh,
I know I'm not supposed to. I know that that's bad. You're a Christian. You're not supposed to hate
you
people.
fucking.
I get that. But I really hate them. And
Whoa.
Oh my!
As long as you don't get caught. I might be going to
Eat a bunch of pie and then just close the door.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the ramp to King George Road.
Daddy, tabi! Oh my God! Oh my God! Daddy, I told you. Oh my God.
Whoa!
What? Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God!
What a dipshit.
Why? It's his fault?
Yeah, did you not see how fast he was moving?
Oh my God!
Chloe, but kind of a shitty person.
I'm sure he is.
Shit! Fuck!
Fuck it! What was that?
I don't know.
That guy up there?
Yes.
Holy fuck!
Oh.
There we go. Yep.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Yep.
It's happening again.
Wait. Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh my God, this fucking idiot!
Harsh event detected.
I'm in the Walmart lane, not the mall lane.
So you're gonna end up having to come from somewhere?
Oh, see?
Like, it's so normal. So, but Chester and I, if we can,
Oh!
we did. We're all words.
Shit!
Obviously, we're not the first people to have done it, but it was fresh on my mind when we were writing that scene.
Oh no.
驾驶中，随时停车，请保持2米车距。自动驾驶中，随时停车，车辆右转，请注意安全。车辆右转，请注意安全。自动驾驶中，车辆左转，请注意安全。车辆左转，请注意安全。自动驾驶中，请保持2米车距。